Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us. I'm Kelly Austin. Gene Burke is off tonight. Now, tonight we are talking about a chance of storms, and Chief Meteorologist Shane Hollandy is here to walk us through what we need to know about these storm chances.
Well, Kelly, we're going to have multiple rounds of thunderstorms. First one coming tonight. In fact, it's bearing down on us now. Another one coming overnight into tomorrow morning, and then another round is likely tomorrow night with a passage.
Hello there, everyone. Thank you for joining us here at 4 o'clock. I'm Kelly Austin.
And Chief Meteorologist Shane Hollandy. Terrific Tuesday in progress. Strongly suggest you get out there and enjoy it right now.
It sure is a beautiful day. I got out for a little bit today when I had lunch, and oh, real quick, happy birthday to my mom, too.
Happy
it's
birthday,
her birthday on
Kelly's
this beautiful day. Yes, so a great day. And will we have many more?
No, we won't. We're going to be warm tomorrow and Thursday, but the
Thank you, Shane. The field of candidates for the 2023 governor's race is set. The window to file to run closed just minutes ago. 2 candidates are on the Democrat ticket in the May primary, including Governor Andy Beshear. 8 candidates are on the Republican ticket. Barron County's Kelly Craft, Agricultural Commissioner Ryan Quarles, and Somerset Mayor Alan Keck filed to run just yesterday. And social media is buzzing after former Governor Matt Bevin tweeted for the first time since September. He said, quote, "A beautiful day dawning in Kentucky. Make it a great day." Now, will he run for governor or won't he? That's the question tonight, as former Governor Matt Bevin made an appearance at the Capitol, as it was anticipated that he may run again, but no word. Well, you know, the new semester of school just started, the second half of the year, but before we know it, fall will be back around and kids will be getting back in school, and little kindergartners who really need to be ready for kindergarten. With me today is Sarah Johnson. She is the elementary director for Warren County Public Schools. A Logan County teacher is facing sexual abuse charges after an investigation by the Kentucky State Police. KSP Post 3 was contacted by the Logan County Board of Education yesterday about allegations of a teacher at Logan County High School having an inappropriate relationship with a student at the school. As a result of the investigation, 26-year-old Benjamin A. Adams was charged with sodomy in the 3rd degree and sexual abuse in the 1st degree. Logan County School Superintendent tells us that he's an art teacher at Logan County High School. This was his 3rd year teaching. The investigation is ongoing and it's being conducted by KSP detectives. Adams was taken to the Logan County Jail, and we have received a statement from Logan County Superintendent Paul Mullins regarding the incident. He says we cannot comment on an ongoing Kentucky State Police investigation. Adams is no longer an employee with the district. The investigation is ongoing, and we will continue providing updates as we receive them from KSP. In other news, authorities in Nashville say that they shot and killed a man Thursday who has ties to the country music world. Mark Capps was wanted on 2 counts of aggravated assault and aggravated kidnapping involving his wife and stepdaughter. Thank you, Shane. Kentucky lawmakers are about to begin another legislative session. The first day of the short year session starts tomorrow, and lawmakers are expected to have a busy session discussing various items that will affect you. Phil Pendleton reports from the state capitol. Hundreds of Kentuckians are likely going to receive Social Security disability back pay from those who were victims of the largest Social Security scheme in history. Eric Kahn was charged with numerous offenses from a scheme that he was finally sent to prison for about 5 years ago. Many of those who lost money in the scheme have worked years to get their money back. Reporter Phil Pendleton spoke to an attorney representing the victims and has more. A family in Hart County is asking for answers after one of their dogs was reportedly stolen right out of their front yard in broad daylight. Tough is a 3-year-old toy Australian Shepherd, cute as can be. Josh and Cheyenne Layton captured surveillance footage of the truck involved in the theft this past Saturday. While it's too far away to see the license plate, they do say that they are in the process of getting the video enhanced to try to read the plate. Well, a new year and a new addition for several families in our area. TJ Sampson Community Hospital welcomed their first baby of 2023. Anastasia Tony Rose McCorkle was born at 2:25 p.m. Sunday. She weighed 6 pounds, 14 ounces. Her parents are Ariel Boyd and Andrew McCorkle of Bowling Green. In addition to her parents, Anastasia was welcomed by now big brother Zyler Boyd. Well, your first day back, full day, we got you busy.
Yeah, well, there's
Mother
plenty to
Nature.
track out there. Showers and storms, one round now in the upper 60s to around 70.
All right, thank you so much, Shane. We'll be watching that. Have a great evening. We'll see you at 6.
After midnight, not an all-day affair for showers tomorrow, but keeping the umbrellas handy, highs in the upper 40s.
All right, thank you, and have a great weekend.
In politics, we rarely see both parties vote unanimously, but today that's exactly what happened as lawmakers discussed dangerous conditions in the state's juvenile detention centers. WBKO's Kelly Austin is in studio tonight with this update. Kelly?
Gene, today the Senate was unanimous. Those conditions were not only appalling, but unacceptable. They passed Resolution 31, which will now study what went wrong and how to best try to fix it. A total of 12 members, 4 from the House, 4 from the Senate, and 4 other non-voting members will form a committee. And here's what they'll specifically be looking at. Staffing, that includes training, pay, the number of employees, policies, what they currently are and what they should be, and whether the current policies are even being applied. The breakdown, what went wrong, and who is responsible. Lastly, they will look at whether the facility in Louisville should reopen. As in any political arena, the vote did not come without some bickering. That portion revolved around accountability. And some said the head of the Justice Department has done as much as he can with the current situation. Others argued that's nothing but an excuse. Reporting in studio, Kelly Austin, WBKO News.